Hi, welcome to the channel. My name's Dan. You're watching DIY for Life. In this video, we're going to remove the front bumper cover so we can clean out the radiators. We'll also polish the headlights and get the front end clean and looking nice. Alright, let's get started on removing the front bumper cover. I have the car on jack stands and the wheels off. Of course, it's not entirely necessary to do it this way, but of course it makes it much easier to work on the car, having it up in the air a little bit. So pop off the side marker lights, twist the bulb to get it out. Always nice to keep things clean. Remove these 3 plastic plugs. Pull back the fender liner so you can access this one screw that needs to be undone from the bottom. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now you can undo the bumper cover from the bottom. There are 9 screws. The one in the middle is longer than the rest. Pop the hood. There's a trim panel. Twist off these plastic screws. Just turn them horizontal and pop them out. I used a little pick tool. My trim panel was quite old and dirty, and the rubber bits around the edge were falling off, but still good to reuse that. Now there's 2 Phillips screws on either side, and you can remove the bumper cover. Once you get the bumper cover off, now you can see all the dirt that's back there on the radiators. So remove those 2 ducts on either side. Fairly straightforward, and then you have access to the radiators. Yeah, it was dirty. I used a brush. You want to separate the radiator for the air conditioner so you can clean out both of them. I used a brush, follow that up with some garden hose action. Would have been easier outside. No, Boomer, don't drink the water. Very satisfying to clean those. I collected the water with a sled. Very dirty. It's a good opportunity to polish the headlights. Get that outer layer cleaned off and polished, looking nice. Before and after. I did everything by hand. Of course, you could use a power tool, but not really necessary for a quick job. Now just reinstall everything. Went back together very easily. Hardest part is fitting the bumper cover, maybe easier with the headlights removed. And the floor was kind of dirty, so that wasn't any fun laying down on the ground. Getting ready to put the wheels back on and drop it off the stands. Don't forget to torque your wheels to 100 foot-pounds. Well, that was a good project. I hope you enjoyed watching. Everything went very well. Got the radiators cleaned up, headlights polished, everything squared away. Car's ready for its next adventure. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.